to solve this Easy Gate 2019 general section paper. It contains aptitude, reasoning, English, and it weightage is about 15 marks out of 100. This section is very easy to score the marks, and we can easily get the marks from this section, so focus on this section. From 2019 paper, this is the one problem. He asked about the cone and its volume. Actually here he asked that there is a cone which has its radius r and height h. When the radius and height are increased by 10%, what is the increase in its volume? He is asking, when the radius and height are increased by 10%, what will be the increase in its volume? We know that we will be going accordingly to the formula way. We know the volumetric formula V1 is equal to volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h1. When its radius and height are increased by 10%, the new radius formed will be 1.1 r1 and new height will be 1.1 h1. Thus substituting in the formula, we will get the V2 is equal to Vt is equal to 1.1 whole square into 1.1 into V1. This is the new V2, means after increase in volume we will be getting new V2. Before increasing volume we will be getting V1. From this he is asking the percentage increase in volume. Percentage increase in volume is nothing but amount difference or increase in its volume divided by initial volume into 100. This is the formula, V2 minus V1 into 100 by V1. This is the formula. Substituting this, we will be getting the answer 33.1%. Here next question is belongs to the reasoning section. He asked that question is 5 numbers 10, 7, 5, 4 and 2 are to be arranged in sequence from left to right. So the sequence must be remembered left to right and the directions given below. Here 3 conditions has been given. No need to follow the order wise conditions. Depending on your means according to the question we have to follow that conditions. Here he asked, I am first stating second condition. See once, the second number from the left is exactly half of the leftmost number. This is the second number from the left and this is the leftmost number. He is telling that the second number from the left is exactly half of the leftmost number. Means leftmost number divided by 2 is equal to secondmost number. Here there are 2 possibilities from given numbers. There are 4, 2 and 10, 5. Okay. From third condition, the middle number is exactly twice the rightmost number. Rightmost number into 2 will give middle number. Here also there are 2 possibilities, that are 4, 2 and 10, 5. Okay, we got some, and we are now going to eliminate the unrequired conditions from the condition number 1, that is no 2 odd or even numbers are next to each other. Here see 4 and 2, if you apply there, these are 2 even numbers, so it fails the condition 1. So there is no alternative and all the solution is here for filling is here 10, here 5. Here 10, 5 eliminated, so we have only 2. So here 4, here 2, remaining number is 7. What he asked, what is the second number from the right? What is the second number from the right? So here the second number from the right is 7. Here the answer is 7. He is asking, in a country there are 1400 million population, 70% own mobile phones. Among the mobile phone owners, only 294 million access the internet. Among these internet users, only half buy goods from the e-commerce portals. what is the percentage of these buyers in the country. He is asking the percentage of these buyers in the country. He given total number of population is 140 millions. Here this is unrequired data. We have 70% own mobile phones. This is not required in this question. Once you can see and analyze that, among the mobile phone owners, only 294 million access the internet. So these are the people who access the internet. In this people of buy goods from e-commerce plant, means 147 million will buy the e-commerce from buyers. So these are the buyers. Among these buyers are from this 1400 million population. So what he asked, what is the percentage of these buyers in the country? So percentage of these buyers in the country will be given by buyers by total population into 100. So here 147 by 1400 into 100 and the answer will be 10.50%. These are the distance, time and distance problems. Here two trains started at 7 am from the same point. The first train travelled north at a speed of 80 km per hour and second train travelled at a speed of south at a speed of 100 km per hour. Here we have to remember one thing. Is the trains are travelling opposite to each other or in the same direction? Here one train is going in north and one train is going south. So these are opposite to each other. The time at which they were 540 km apart is dash am. He is asking when they are 540 km apart, what will be the time to meet there. So here the train A is travelling in this direction, the train B is travelling in this direction. One train is travelling with 80 km per hour and another train is travelling 100 km per hour. Here there is no problem of different times. They are started at same time, so no need to do further calculations. So the distance is 540. Here we have to calculate relative speed. Relative speed is nothing but speed of the train A plus speed of the train B. So it is the relative speed is 180 km per hour, and from this we got speed. We know the distance. What is the distance apparent? You know speed is equal to distance by time, that converting t is equal to d by s, and 540 by 180 will be getting 3 hours. Means after 3 hours they are going to be apart 540 kilometers from that. So means we already have 7 hours before and 3 hours, it is 10 am. The answer is 10 am. Okay, try on your own. This is the problem. This is the same problem model. Some simple logic will be there. Try on this and the answer will be 210 kilometers. If any difficulty facing, please comment. I will be explaining. Okay, next. Here, this is like we'll be having reasoning section, coding and decoding. Not like that. Means just observing this. Given the nomenclature of Hindustani music has changed over the centuries. Since the medieval period, Drupad styles are identified as bunnies. Terms like Gayaki and Baj were used to refer to vocal and instrumental styles respectively. With the initialization of music education, the term Ghana became acceptable. Gharana originally referred to hereditary musicians from the particular lineage, including disciples and grand disciples. Which one of the following pair is not correct? Here asking what pair is not correct. First we have to decode from that passage what is there and what is asked and what is given. He given Drupad is related as Banis and Gayaki as vocals and Baz as instrumental, here given respectively. So that, and Gharana is given as lineage. So this here Drupad and Bani, so option A is correct. Gayaki and vocal, so option B is correct. Gharana and lineage, so option D is correct. But here Baz and institution, here it is instrumental, but here institution. Okay. It is also from English section. The fisherman dashed the flood victims. Here the fisherman dashed the flood victims over their lives were rewarded by the government. We have to fill with the correct option in this blank. By eliminating options, we can say that Here the fishermen that and to which are not suitable. Only we have to select from these two. Here the fisherman refers to a group of people. So the fisherman to whom. Here referring to the fisherman, we will be using to whom. So the answer is the fisherman to whom the flood victims for their lives were rewarded by the government. Next question. Some students were not involved in the strike. If the above statement is true, which of the following conclusions is or logically necessary? Here remember, logically necessary. We should not make any assumptions. Assumptions are not made here. That is the meaning of logically necessary. So some students were not involved in the strike. We will be depending on this question only. We will be not making any assumptions from the outside. We will only depend on this question. Here the options are: some who were involved in the strike were students. Particularly from the question, it is not saying anything about this first option, so it's wrong. No student was involved in the strike. It is also dealing like that only. At least one student was involved in the strike. It is not saying that about that. We cannot incur. But here, for fourth option, we see some who were not involved in the strike were students. Some students were not involved in the strike. It is saying directly that some who were not involved in the strike were students. This is the answer related to this question. So answer is the 4. Until Iran came along, India had never been defeated in Kabaddi. Defeated in Kabaddi. Why defeated means here had is in past tense. It is sentence is in the past tense. When past with the had, there will be the verb of V3 form, past form. So we using this defeated here. Answer is the defeated. Here, this is the passage. While answering passage, I want to advise some process. It is not means we have to follow. If you have any process, you can follow anything. But it is my just only advice. First, read passage once, means casual reading. How you want to read, don't understand anything. Just what is the passage given, what about the passage we have to know just. Then read the questions that asked, what questions they asked. So we can go on this question based reading. Then we can read, if you got the questions which are asking, again when we try to read the passage, we will be knowing where the part exactly it presents. So that type of reading is important. I'm reading this passage now. Since the last 1 year, after 125 basis point reduction in repo rate by Reserve Bank of India, banking institutions have been making a demand to reduce interest rates on small savings schemes. Finally, the government announced yesterday a reduction in interest rates on small savings schemes to bring them on par with fixed deposit interest rates. It is about the Reserve Bank and its repo rate relation with banks under the Reserve Bank. If you want to know about repo banks, this maybe all of them will not be knowing about this, but the answer will be in this passage only. We will be getting from that how which one of the following statement can be inferred from the given passage. Whenever the Reserve Bank of India reduces the repo rate, the interest rate on small schemes are also reduced. Interest rate on small savings schemes are always maintained on par with fixed deposit interest rates. The government sometimes take into consideration the demands of banking institutions before reducing the interest rates on small savings schemes. A reduction in interest rate on small savings schemes follow only after reduction in repo rate by Reserve Bank of India. Here, if we see generally, all 4 points will be correct. But when linking with the passage only, what the passage has given, then we can understand what since the last 1 year, after 125 basis point of reduction in repo rate by Reserve Bank of India, banking institutes have been making a demand to reduce interest. Here underline demands to reduce interest rates on small savings schemes. Finally, the government announced yesterday a reduction in interest rate. From the passage, we can conclude that the government schemes take into consideration the demands of the banking institution before reducing the interest rate on small savings schemes. So, according to passage, the answer is the C. The final question is, I read somewhere that in ancient times the prestige of kingdom depend upon the number of taxes that it was able to levy on its people. It was very much like the prestige of a headhunter in its own community. Sorry. Okay. Here, the king is compared. The king is compared with headhunter. What hunter do? He hunts birds for his livelihood. Here, in ancient time, the king prestige issue is collecting the taxes. Here, what the headhunter does? What is the hunter does? He hunts the birds. So here, based on the paragraph above, the prestige of headhunter depend on. Prestige of headhunter depend on what? King prestige depends on collecting taxes, and headhunter depend on what? He is asking. The prestige of the kingdom? No, it is not suitable with this. The prestige of the heads? No, it is meaningless. The number of taxes he could leave? No. Here the number of heads he could gather. Heads means here the birds' heads or some animal heads, like that. Thank you for listening and subscribe this channel. If any doubt, please comment.
Friends, so please subscribe and like and share our channel so that we can get motivation, and we will make the next video which is on which we will solve all the GATE 2 marks problems coming this year. So welcome to